In this video, you will learn how to bulk add products to your Wix store using a CSV file. First, log in. Log into your Wix account and open your site in your dashboard. Then, go to the Wix stores from the left-hand menu and select products. After that, in the top right corner, click Import Products. Select Import from CSV. Download the CSV template provided by Wix to ensure your data is all formatted correctly. Fill out the CSV template with using your product details such as your price, description, images and name. Once your CSV is ready to go back to Wix dashboard and upload the file. Click Upload to import your products. Wix will automatically add your products to your store. Review the imported products to ensure all the details are correct. After that, click Publish to make sure your product is live on your site. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.